Artoonza.
Wait. Before my marker even touches the paper, smash that like button like it owes you money. Pretty please, with a cherry on top and extra sprinkles. Okay, now let's go. Today we're drawing a watermelon slice wearing love heart sunglasses. Because apparently even fruit needs to look cool at the beach. Two fluffy clouds, one sassy sun. Yes, the sun has main character energy today. Watermelons don't usually accessorize. But who's gonna stop us, the fruit police? Grab your crayons, glue those eyeballs to the screen, because the glitter, paint, and shiny black polish coming up are absolutely juicy. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. These two clouds are floating around pale as ghosts. Time for a baby blue glow up, drip by drip.
So cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. Ooh, look. The sun's showing up like the diva it is, demanding golden yellow paint as soon as possible. Same royal treatment for the sunglasses frame. Because shades this cool can't ever stay plain and basic. And the watermelon rind's inside edge quietly waits its turn for a sunny glow too. Sneaky little scene stealer. Now the outer rind wants attention. Light green drops rolling in, juicy and proud. Time for the sunglasses lenses and watermelon seeds to go full mystery mode in glossy black polish, sneaky, stylish, and a little dramatic. Smash that like button now. Finally, the watermelon slice gets its reddish-orange glow-up, juicy, blushing, and ready to steal the whole show like it always secretly planned to from the very beginning.
So cute.
Big kiss, superstars! Wait, don't go! Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.